first thing I have for you this morning are the auto and real property releases and refunds. The auto refunds for April 2013, $690.86. And these are our usual turn-in tags. Vehicles were sold or traded, should have been taxed in another county, and we had to transfer that. It was our typical adjustments that we made.
Any questions from the commissioners? Comments? If not, then the chair will entertain a motion to approve the auto releases.
So moved.
Any motion?
Second.
Have a second. Any further discussion? If not, all those in favor of Rita's recommendation signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed?
April 2013 auto refunds, $656.63. Again, it's our typical refunds. Debt was paid by debt set off and the property owner, or the vehicle has been sold or traded and the tag turned in before it had expired.
Any further questions or any questions? Comments? If not, then we entertain a motion to approve the recommendation of Ms. Miller.
Thank you.
Have a motion and a second. Any further discussion? If not, all those in favor of the motion signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Unanimous?
All right, the April 2013 real property releases, $280.38. Release due to postmark, garnishment fee and error, or bill to the wrong owner, and business closed were the reasons for these releases.
Any questions? These seem to be a little bit smaller than usual. If not, if there are no questions, Chair will entertain a motion to approve Ms. Miller's recommendation.
So moved.
I'll second that.
Motion and a second. Any further discussion? If not, all those in favor of the motion signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed?
April 2013 real property refunds, $685.06. And these are either overpayments paid by the property owner and debt set off with a mortgage company, or refunds granted during the Board of Equalization and Review.
Okay, any questions? Comments? If not, Chair would entertain a motion to approve the recommendation of Ms. Miller.
I'll make that motion.
I have a motion
Second.
and a second. Any questions or comments? If not, all those in favor of the motion signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed?
April 2013 collections report for real property, 95.73%, and for motor vehicle, 81.7%. And that's the first time I recall seeing 80% on motor vehicles. Our citizens are doing good. Enforced collection report, accounts under foreclosure in April collected $4,550.17. Wage and bank account attachments, $13,040.71. Accounts with payment agreements, $14,893.60. Debt set-off collected $5,724.06. And accounts under bankruptcy was $1,590.16. The next item you'll have is the report of persons with payment agreements that did not make their April payment. And if they've been on here 2 months in a row, then we have initiated some sort of action to get that collected. And I have, the final thing I have for you is, as the Board of Equalization and Review, we held open one appeal case to be decided after the tax office was instructed to look at some classification of the property. And during the appeal, the property owner questioned the amount of property that was in the flood zone. And during the 2007 revaluation, had that been accounted for. And so our research shows that .810 of this property was classified as residual, which is the lowest value that we have, meaning you can't do anything with the property. So I would not recommend any further adjustment. It does appear that it was accounted for during the 2007 evaluation. The property owner requested a value of $150,000, and the tax office recommendation is to remain as it is at $244,400.
I know the point of question was around the floodplain. If we take a note of everything that was possible with the landowner, and you say we did.
Yes,
We'd
we have.
already done that.
Yes, we have.
Are there any further comments or questions from commissioners? Well, then the chair would entertain a motion to approve Ms. Miller's findings and recommendations in this case. Have a motion. Have a second. A motion and a second. Any questions or comments? All those in favor of the motion, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Unanimous. Rita, I might notice, just note here, for the public is that collections are up over 2011, 2012. In both categories, non-vehicle.
It is increasing, that's good. That's partly in work to the staff of the tax office, but that's partly to the citizens, paying when they get their bill too, at any time. I did want to let you know that we have 3 tax foreclosures scheduled for Thursday at 11 o'clock. There's 3 parcels that will be sold unless the taxes are paid before that time. And the information, we have the information, the tax cards and all that in the tax office if anybody's that's watching is interested in that information. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rita.
Thank you, Rita.
Thank you.